We're going home to Hong Kong. Back to reality. It's night time now, so this is the view. English? Miss English. Parang nasa province lang.
Paggabi na.
Paggabi. So, there's nothing very nice tonight. All you can see now is street light. Yeah, that's it. Ano na naman ang sasabihin ko kila House China, Alma. Sasabihin ko naman kay ma'am. It's very good, ma'am.
This is still China, madam. It's not coming out, bro.
Do you like China?
Ano yung sasagot ka? It's good ka naman.
Talaga yung mood niya.
Parang iagkas kasungay ati ko akong naona.
Mga ano siguro yan, bahay-bahay. Maraming buildings talaga dito, no? So that's it for tonight's video. Bye, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a nice evening, everyone. Bye.